In this video, I'm going to explain logarithms in two different ways. Here is the first way. This is asking you, how many times do I have to multiply 2 together to get 8? How many times do I have to multiply 2 together to get 8? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Times another 2 is 8. So how many 2's did we have to multiply together? 3. 3 is our answer. If you understand what I just did, then congratulations, you understand logarithms now. It's really that simple. Here's another one. How many 4's do I have to multiply to get 16? Well, 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, how many 4's did I have to multiply? 2 4's. Our answer is 2. One more. Let's do this one. How many 3's do I have to multiply to get 81? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Times another 3 is 27. Times another 3 is something. Let's find out. 1, carry the 2. 81. There you go. We got 81. How many 3's did it take? It took 4 3's. So 4 is the answer. Here's the second explanation. This is asking 2 to what power is 8? Well, 2 to the second power, or 2 squared, would be 4. Okay. 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed, that would be 8. Okay. So what power do we have to use? We had to use power of 3. So that's the answer. Let's try another one. 4 to what power is 16? Well, 4 squared is 16. Okay, cool. So what was the power we had to use? 2. So 2 is the answer. One more. It's not a very good looking G. Okay. 3 to what power is 81? Well, 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 9 times 3, 27. 3 to the fourth power is, who knows? It's 81. Okay. So 3 to the fourth power is 81. We got the number we're looking for. What power did we have to use? 4. So 4 is our answer. And really quickly, let's talk about how to talk about logarithms. So as you can see, right, at the start of every logarithm, we write log, that stands for logarithm. Okay. And we read this as log base 2 of 8. That is log base 2 of 8. This would be log base 4 of 16. This would be log base 3 of 81. So those small numbers that are lower, that number and this number, as you might have guessed, those are called bases. And so sometimes people will say that this is like a base 2 logarithm, or this is a base 4 logarithm, this is a base 3 logarithm. So yeah, that's some important terminology to probably know. Also, I should probably tell you, this number here is called the argument generally. So 81 is the argument there, 16 is the argument there, 8 is the argument there. Yeah, so that's some terminology that is important to know for logarithms. Now, check this out. This is kind of interesting. So the base of the logarithm here is 2, right? But look down here. Down here, 2 is the exponent there, and 3 is the exponent there. But what do you call this number here? What do you call those numbers there? Those are called bases, right? So notice that the base here is 2. That's kind of interesting because the base of the logarithm is also 2. And then here, the base we said was 4. The base here is also 4. The base here we said was 3. And the bases here are all 3. So is that a coincidence? No, it's not. That's literally why it's called the base of a logarithm. Uh, yeah, so the base of your logarithm and the base here they're always going to line up. They're always going to be the same thing. So that's kind of cool. And maybe that can help you remember sort of the connection between logarithms and this stuff. Maybe it can help you remember what logarithms really mean. Thanks for watching.